Honorable Principal of this most reputed high school and junior college, respected Ekhlaqi sir, distinguished assistant headmaster, respected Masroor Ahmad sir, most sincere and serious supervisor, respected Sajid sir, all the devoted and dedicated teachers, the hardworking and honest fellow staff members, and all my extremely dear students. May peace, blessings and mercy of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala be upon all of you. As you know, today is Friday, and on Friday we used to gather here to analyze our performance. We used to gather here to think how can we improve our character and our performance. Actually, Friday is the day for our introspection. That's why we gather here for our congregational prayers and supplications. May Allah Ta'ala make us extremely sincere listener. May Allah Ta'ala move us on the path of the paradise. My dear students, by the mercy and grace of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, we all are Muslim. We all are Muslim because we declared Shahada, that is La ilaha illallah Muhammadur Rasulullah. It means there is no worthy of worship except Allah, and Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, or peace be upon him, is his last and final messenger. If we declared this Shahada, it means that from top to bottom, our existence is the existence of peace and goodness. We are the storehouse of peace and goodness. If we declare Shahada, it means that we are the most obedient slave and servant of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. If we declare Shahada, it means that we are the very strong follower of the Quran and the Sunnah, means tradition of the Prophet, peace be upon him. My dear students, it is necessary to know what is the meaning of Islam and what is the definition of Islam. If you go through the dictionary, then you can find that the word Islam derived from an Arabic word salam, which means peace. So, in brief, the meaning of Islam is peace. Now, what is the definition of Islam? The definition of Islam is peace acquired by submitting our will in front of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So, my dear students, if we are the storehouse of peace and goodness, if we have the Islam, our character should be Islamic. The question is, if we are Muslim, then what are our responsibilities? What are our duties? Our duty is to spread this Islam. Our prime duty is to spread this peace and goodness in the environment, in the atmosphere, in the society in which we are living. One thing you must remember, where there is Islam, there is peace. And where there is no Islam, there is no peace. So we are responsible to spread peace and goodness and try to create highly peaceful environment. Only we are responsible for it. My dear students, now the question is, how can we spread Islam or the peace or goodness around us? Every day, Allah Ta'ala is providing us the chances or the opportunities to come in contact with lots of other people. Today you are here and you will get the opportunity to meet with your classmates, with the students who belong to your section and the students who may not belong to your section. So the question is, how can we spread Islam? First of all, you should try to say, while meeting with any person, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. It is necessary. Why? And what is the meaning of this? The meaning of this salam is, may peace, blessings and mercy of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala be upon you. This is a kind of supplication. Before starting my talk, I have already said you, may peace, blessings and mercy of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala be upon all of you. So, during interaction with any person, you have to spread Islam. How can we spread? Through your discussion, through your attitude, with the help of your conduct, with the help of your approach, with the help of your thinking, and with the help of your attitude and characters. You can spread Islam through your actions and through your deeds. After 2 or 3 days, from 28th November up to 30th November, in between these 3 days, our school is all set to celebrate the annual sports meet. During this time also, you will have to display your Islamic character. That means you will have to spread peace and goodness. What you will have to do in the days to come? First of all, try to make a list of the pillars based on the quality with deep honesty, and then try to submit that list to the in-charge teachers. And on the allotted day of the matches, what you will have to do on the field? On the field, you will have to display your efficiency, your stamina, your skill, your alertness, your presence of mind, your compactness, your quickness, and above all, the tolerance, patience, coordination and cooperation. On the field, you will have to display sportsman spirit. You will have to display teamwork also. In the end, you will get your result. You may become winner or you will lose the match. If you lose the match, don't be upset, don't be depressed, don't be unhappy. Do not criticize the umpire or the referees. Do not blame to the other members of the team. If you will be a loser, try to accept the defeat with a smiling face and appreciate the performance of the opponent members of the team. Similarly, if you become champion, if you win the matches, don't be overexcited. Don't use any bad words. Do not hurt the feelings of others. Why? Because we are Muslim. In any situation, in any condition, we have to maintain peace and goodness. We hope that you will remember these advices. May Allah Ta'ala make us successful here and hereafter. With these few words, I wish to finish my talk. Thanks a lot.